Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange one cryptocurrency into another cryptocurrency on Revolut. It's very simple. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the Revolut application, and once you are inside, go to the home page. On the home page, in the middle, you will find this button called Move. Just tap on it, and then on the top you can select the cryptocurrency that you would like to exchange, and then you can add the other cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. You can either scroll and find it right here, or you can use the search bar. But let's say I'm going to exchange Bitcoin to Solana. This is not financial advice, just illustration. And then type in the amount that you would like to exchange. Let's say 0.0.01 Bitcoin, and you can exchange it into Solana. You can also set it to a limit order or a stop order as well. It's very simple. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe for more.